I am just looking at the back of my horn button and I don't see anywhere to plug anything in. So I come up to my computer and I find that right there, the yellow wire plugs into something, and it would plug into right, come on, focus. There, you can see there's a bit of a rough edge. That's where the little tab would be to plug that wire connector on. So I gotta think of a workaround. I'm thinking about maybe just drilling a hole right there and making a spot for a tab. There is a big opening in the center of the steering wheel, so I'm gonna go out to the garage and see if I can find something I can just drill a small hole in and then create a tab. I might have to do maybe, I don't know, let's go out there and take a look. Okay, so back out at the car, this is what I found. This was in the glove box, and the horn works by grounding out to somewhere like that. So I need a spade connection that hooks onto this, that then hooks up to the actual horn button. So it needs to not be on the outside piece, but on the inside piece. So I am thinking maybe opening up the spade terminal, screwing that to the inner metal piece, and when they push together, that's what makes contact. So if I put it on the outside one, which seems easier, that I don't think is going to work. It's got to be onto the inside piece. So I got to figure out how to get a small screw in there. These are the smallest screws I have. I might have to hunt around a little bit more. So anyway, I'm going to do that. Okay, so this is the solution I came up with. I'm going to put a round connector and I'm going to pop rivet that in with this. That way there's nothing that can, I'm going to pop rivet it in with this right through there. I'm going to drill a small hole first, and then that will hold it. Doesn't matter if this is aluminum or not. The metal on metal contact is what I need, and then I'll just crimp on this one that's on a bit of a wire, just so I can hook it up, and that should be it. So I'm going to drill a hole in there right now. So that looks like it's fixed. I just popped off the little, my other end cap of my spade terminal. I'll just put another one of those on. I should probably, I'm going to wrap this in masking tape. It works.